So the more dahlias you grow, the more likely you're going to experience a failure like this in your rows. And it's not a huge deal because I'm not ruling this plant out. I'm definitely not digging it up. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. A lot of these bottom leaves you can see have just lost power. There's nothing left to them. So I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna carefully break them off. Any leaves that look like they've lost power, I'm gonna take right off the stalk. Like, see these, they look pretty lousy. They don't look like they're growing anymore. Bugs are gonna start to live on them. These are gonna be a problem. So I'm chucking those, and then I'm just taking more and more leaf sets off. I'm gonna take this one too. And I'm literally just going to leave the top new growth. And now I've exposed 1, 2, 3 sets of nodes around the stalk. And so because those nodes are exposed, they're gonna try to do something. So they're either gonna try to root or branch. They can't root if they're above the soil, so I'm actually gonna raise the soil here. So I'm gonna take this bucket of soil here and I'm just gonna bring more soil around the plant. As you can see, I'm just kind of making a little pyramid around the plant. And this is burying more of the stalk and those nodes. And by doing that, the plant is gonna stand a chance because it's going to take new root where each node is. And since the plant was looking really lousy, there's not much to lose in trying to do this. And what it's gonna do is it's just gonna give this plant way more of a chance than trying to focus on like how it's supposed to break down those rotting leaves and like what it's supposed to do, where it's supposed to put its energy. This is communicating clearly to your dahlia. It's like, this is what you're supposed to do. So do it. And so I'll actually put a little more soil just to kind of level this out a bit, and then I'm gonna water it all in. So it's really wet, kind of like a cutting. So I'm hopeful that this will actually take root and this will still end up being a beautiful dahlia in the end.